In today's video, we will look at how to stake Near, the native crypto of the Near protocol. Before continuing, just a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and none of this is financial advice. On to the first option of using a Ledger hardware wallet. If we look at the list of supported assets, there is the dedicated Near wallet. To begin, you need to set up Ledger Live on your device. This is the in-house application for the hardware wallet. So you download the app. For this video, we will focus on desktop wallets. You've got the various apps here for your operating system. On launch, you should see something like this. For assets supported on Ledger Live, you simply click on Add Account. But in this case, we need to go to Manager. You follow the instructions on the screen related to your Ledger device. Also need to make sure this is unlocked at all times for this to function. We then go to the app catalog. We type in Near. You then install the app to access the Near wallet through your Ledger device. Once complete, you can exit Ledger Live. Now we'll go to the Near wallet, create account, and we go get started. Click on Ledger Hardware Wallet, secure my account. This is only available via Firefox. Support for other browsers will be coming shortly. So as always, make sure you've got the device unlocked. The Near app has to be open as well. Click continue. With the Windows OS, sometimes you get this security message. This is irrelevant. You could just drag that to the side. Avoid clicking X, otherwise this will just appear on loop. So click continue. In the meantime, you check the public key that's listed on your Nano S or X. If you're happy with that, press both buttons to approve that. So you can use this wallet address to deposit funds, or you can also purchase directly using MoonPay. We'll stick with the former. Copy this wallet address and you use it to send tokens from your exchange to your Near wallet. This says at least 1/10 of a Near. You should send a bit more than that to cover some transaction fees. This gives you the option to add a custom address if you want to give a specific name. This is what you should see on the screen. It looks fairly sleek and user-friendly. Once the funds have landed into your wallet, we go to staking. You get the summary of the available balance. Stake my tokens. This will give you an assortment of options. So the main things to look out for here: the fee or the commission involved, whether it is an active. Scroll down, it also has inactive wallets. Validator information here is very basic. I came across this post. This is a curated list of validators who have an official presence on this forum. This website has some more details about the position of these different validators, the cumulative stake, how much they're managing, so on and so forth. To help improve the decentralization of this network, they encourage people to use validators outside of the top 6. So it's some food for thought. I recommend that you look through this and take a few minutes to research one that you plan to use, particularly if you're going to stake a lot of crypto. Once you're happy with all of that, you go stake with validator. I'll use the maximum amount and submit stake. Confirm the details. It's always a good habit to double check this information on your device. Currently in progress. If that's successful, you will receive this message. Returning to the dashboard, the information has now been updated. A fairly straightforward process. I appreciate that anyone, even with a tiny amount, is able to stake through this platform. That's the first option if you have a hardware wallet. If you don't have this device available and you would like the free alternative, also very secure, just a couple more steps involved, to use a passphrase. Go enable. You get your recovery seed. So it's a set of 12 words to back up your device in the event that you're unable to access your wallet. Never reveal these words to anyone and keep a secure copy offline. You will then need to confirm the order of at least one of these words, so make sure you write them down correctly as numbered. Verify and complete. There is the option for email. Whilst it is the most convenient, it is the riskiest out of the 3. However, I am glad they offer this. If you scroll down, for 2-factor authentication with a minimum balance of 4 Near. If you go to the staking overview, I recommend checking your staking balance periodically to ensure that you are getting the rewards. That's a wrap for going via the Near wallet Another hardware wallet that provides support for Near is Ellipal. However, they don't actually allow for staking at present. They could in the near future, so do keep an eye out for that. Trezor is another wallet I would generally recommend, but they don't have any support for Near. Moving on to exchanges. Binance, a very popular choice, although I would not recommend holding large amounts of Near coins through an exchange in the event that there could be an issue with access or it gets compromised in some way. With most exchanges, you go to their earn and then staking option, type in Near, a very good APY. Well, they have locked staking of multiple durations. Moving on to KuCoin, it's a very similar layout to Binance. Nothing listed for the staking option. They offer lending of up to 28 days, although you can do this auto lend option. Similar annualized rates to the Binance APYs. What I find advantageous is these durations are less than what we saw earlier with Binance. A couple of other exchanges, this one here, OKEX, they offer a staking option for Near. We have an estimated rate or APY of 10%. That's the breakdown of the different options with the variable durations shown here. Gates.io, they've got this hodl and earn section, okay. I don't have much experience with this one, just like OKEX. So as always, make sure you do your research. These are some of the options if you choose to stake or even lend through a centralized exchange. If you enjoyed this video, you might also be interested in very popular Polkadot staking. Continuously earn crypto by having it in your wallet. There is an assortment of crypto assets available here. Click subscribe for more content, like it and share it with others who you think will benefit from this. Thanks for tuning in. More videos coming shortly. Talk to you soon and see you later.